Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add emails to VIPs on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the email app. In here, go back to the email list and open up the email that you want to add to VIPs, and then tap on the more button at the bottom. And from the pop-up, tap on add to VIPs, and that's it. So now if you go back to the email list, if you want to quickly locate all your VIP emails, just tap on the menu key and then tap on the VIPs folder, and here you'll be able to quickly locate all the VIP emails, and that's it. Finally, you can go back to your inbox or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.